Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how we can fix CS2 fatal error, content file is corrupt. I had this issue and for me it was XMP instability, and probably for you is the same reason why you're getting this error. So what you need to do here with this, you need to first go to BIOS, and then you need to basically disable XMP or DOACP, or choose low memory frequency. And to do so, you just need to open up settings. Then you need to go to Windows Update. Then here you need to go to Advanced Options. And then here you need to select a, where's that particular option that I'm looking? Is this one. And you just need to basically put Advanced Startup and enter BIOS. On this window, you need to go to Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options. And Advanced Options, you need to go to UEFI Firmware Settings, and then press Restart, and you will end up on BIOS. So guys, once you're on the BIOS, you need to go to Tweaker Settings here, and then you should see Extreme Pro Memory Profile XMP. Of course, I'm using my motherboard is Gigabyte, but for you can be a little bit different, but you need to just look for this. And then you need to just, if you're facing fatal error, you need to disable it, right? And then once you do so, you just need to go save and exit, and now you should not be getting any fatal errors in CS2.